Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Have you seen those cute and customizable avatars popping up all your Facebook lately? Well, today we are going to show you how to make one. Let's get started. Open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on the menu icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open the Facebook menu. Now scroll down and tap on See More to expand the options. There you will see avatar option available. Tap on it. Now comes the fun part. You can customize various aspects of your avatar including hairstyle, face shape, eye shape and color, nose shape, mouth shape, outfit, accessories and more. You can simply edit it. And now let's get started with the editing. You can just simply edit it according to your style, according to your facial structures and everything. And once you're happy with how your avatar looks, tap on the check mark icon in the top right corner to save it. And your avatar will be ready to use. You can use it as a profile picture, share it in comments and messages, and even use it in Facebook stories. If you ever want to make changes to your avatar, simply go back to the avatars section in the Facebook menu and tap on Edit Avatar. And there you will have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fun and informative content. Thank you for watching.